In ClientLook, you can track an unlimited number of contacts and share them with your coworkers in the cloud. Now, these contacts might be clients or prospects and leads, contractors, or even personal contacts. Now, the contact list appears anytime you click the Contacts link along the menu at the top. And this grid displays contact's name, company information, title, city and state, their phone number, and email address by default. Now, in general, anywhere in ClientLook that you see a hyperlink means that you can click to another record. So in this case, I could access George Adams' record, or by clicking here, the Champion Partners Company record. Now, email addresses will also be shown as hyperlinks. If you click this, you'll create an email in whatever is the default email system on your current computer. You'll also see phone numbers hyperlinked, and this is actually a function of Google Voice, which is in use on this computer, so that you can auto-dial phone numbers through the web. It works great with ClientLook. Now, if you want to access a contact's detail page, you just click on a contact's name. Now, in this case, you see the detail page for George Adams. He's a partner at Champion Partners. And if we were to click Champion Partners, we'd jump to his company record. You see his photograph appear, and then on the left, you see in the contact overview section, phone numbers, email addresses, and actual physical locations, all of which are unlimited, a description field, and then custom field that allow you to track anything that you might want to ClientLook. You can add as many of these as you choose. In the bottom left is static information related to when the record was created and the date and who it's currently assigned to. Then over here on the right, there are 3 tabs of information. The Updates tab, which appears by default, allows you to log anything you do with a contact. And this could be the outcome of a phone call or a meeting or a task that you completed. And when you add these, you can attach files or links. You can relate them to projects as well. And down below, you see the ongoing chronology of everything that you or your coworkers is doing, in this case with George Adams. You can see the projects that updates are related to. You can even see the files or web links that are associated with them. Now, one unique thing about ClientLook is that anything that gets posted into the system can have comments added to it, much like a social networking system. So in the example here, you can see an update was added at 1/20/2012, and at 12:47 today, a comment was added, and the thread can continue by adding another comment and so on. And in this way, you can collaborate on anything that might appear within a contacts record and add value to your coworkers' efforts. Now, the Activities tab will show you any outstanding future events or tasks that have yet to be completed for, in this case, George Adams. So, for example, here you'll see that there is a meeting from 9 to 10 coming up, and a to-do, which is a follow-up in the future as well. Now, to schedule a new event, you just click here. To schedule a new task, you click there. The Groups tab shows you which groups that you've associated the contact with. And in this case, George Adams is associated to the Leads group and to the Southside Prospects group. Now, clicking Edit Group Membership here allows you to change that, but the idea is you can associate contacts with an unlimited number of groups for marketing purposes. But overall, the contact record is meant to be your source of information for everything that goes on with this contact within the confines of your company. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Check out all the other ClientLook tutorials in our video showcase for even more tips.